Welcome back to the channel. Today I am at Cracker Barrel and we're going to go inside and check out the Halloween displays that they have. Yes, I said Halloween and it is June, but we're going to go inside and see what they have to offer. So follow me.
You can become a channel member for just 99 cents a month, and that helps to support the channel.
And we want to thank all of our channel members for your support.
Silent and deadly. Happy Halloween!
Here we got the broom that likes to follow you around like they usually have each year. The witch's broom, he yells at you as he goes along. It's really cool. Also got a Halloween Christmas tree with a skull on the bottom. Decorations are not included. But it is very cute. The bottom of it is a skull. And the rest of it is just a black tree. And they have all these cute little ornaments all over it that you can get. I like this little guy here. There's one that's a little creepy for you. It's a spider. He lights up. He's a really good sized spider. You can see by the size of my hand how big he is. These candles are really nice that lit up. There's two different sizes. Grim Reaper figurine is $79.99. Got some cups here. Just a little ray of pitch black, $19.99. Oh, this is adorable. We have a frog witch blow mode light up. How cute is that? Got a really cute cat blow mold here. It's $50. Lights up. Can't really tell it so much in here with the lights on, but it is very adorable. Next to it they have a throw. It's a glow in the dark with some stars and some ghost on it. It's $24.99. That'd be adorable. It has such a cutest displays of Halloween here. I think one of my favorite pieces is this Christmas tree that looks like Halloween. It's got all kinds of pumpkins all over it. It's got the pumpkin on the top for the top. It is so cute. It's $29.99. Then we have our sitting cat. His sitting cat is $39.99. And it also lights up. It's hard to tell in here, but it does. And you could put right beside it, you could put the actual ghost beside it for the Halloween. It's got like little bats hanging out inside of it. We have a cookie jar. And we also have some setting cat and a setting mummy. So much cool stuff here. Oh, one of my next favorite ones is the lighting in here is terrible. But we have a cool cat with the purple behind it. It's a metal cat. This has so much neat stuff here for Halloween. And it's hard to believe that there is Halloween out here right now. Got a whole thing here to display different figurines, salt and pepper shaker. Here's a marble cutting board, some marble coasters. Got a cool dragon right here. Very neat. Plus there's also a serving platter. It looks like a bunch of skulls. The haunted house is really cool also. I really like the little salt and pepper shakers here of the Draculas. This is a very nice lamppost with this spider on top. And you can see the spiders that were roaming around on the top of that. And it's really neat. It even has the sounds. It's a real nice display. Some Halloween stuff. This is really neat. It's a skull cup. It's like a drinking glass. It's $50. And then beside it they have a nice mug also. We got a variety of the salt and pepper shakers. Even this guy here is a salt and pepper shaker. He's pretty cool for $10. Take the top off. It has got his brain. And then here's the other part of it. Just putting back together. Salt and pepper shakers. Yeah. Here lies salt, here lies pepper. Salt and pepper shakers. They have a whole variety of them. They're really cute. Here's a very cute blow mold that they have of a haunted house. Got the cat, the witch in the moon. They don't have it displayed, so it's not lit up, but it is awful cute. Check out this cool blow mold here. He's a mummy. It's not too scary, but he's cute. And he's $60. They have so many cute little items here today. This is just the beginning. I was told at Halloween they actually put more stuff out. You get some shirts. Get some silicone mini mitts. Get another Great Pumpkin Charlie Brown shirt. Girls will be girls cup. We also have Nightmare Before Christmas lip balms. Oh, they also have a vinyl record with the original It's a Great Pumpkin Charlie Brown vinyl shaped like a pumpkin. How adorable is that? Now we got this guy, he dances. Now I find this to be adorable. This is a bat squishy. He's $9. He's kind of got some weight to him, actually. He's really cool. And he is a squishy. You can squish him. This is adorable. If you're into squishies, you gotta get the bat. He's so cute. Then we have a Highland cow dressed up. You have a Scooby-Doo, Where Are You? Glow-in-the-dark hoodie. And if you're into some fashion and some bling, they actually have a lot of different keychains. Some bracelets. A skull bracelet. Some skeleton earrings. They got Halloween bags, so you can use those for trick or treat. That would be awful cute. You get a lot of candy in that. Have one of these children's outfits, costumes for Halloween. It's a two-piece. It's $27.99. It is very adorable. It's got the actual, looks like the dress, and it also has the cute little hat that you could put on. Some kitchen towels, a set of 2, and it says, if the broom fits, write it. And the other one is just this trick or treat. It's got the house, haunted house, some cats, and some pumpkins. But that is very adorable. And the set is $12.99. You have the ghost and the cat ghost. It is so cute. And he's got a lantern. It looks like it has a little light that goes inside. It's not on. And it's $100. If you're in your search words, get you a horror movie search word puzzle book in large print. Can also get you a Great Tales and Poems of Edgar Allan Poe book. And he also has a search word book too, Edgar Allan Poe. Also have a tumbler here. It says, when it rains, it poes. How cute. It's a little Edgar Allan Poe section over here. It's really cute. I actually have a mirror here. It says, enter if you dare. There's a skeleton that you can actually hang. We have actual pins that are skulls. Got your fighting ones that actually light up. Check them out. For $6, you can just punch somebody with these. I think one of the cutest things I see is a salt and pepper shaker with a holder. Are these bats that stand upside down? And they are $13. How adorable is that? We also have this cool little Halloween pumpkin lamp, street lamp. It's $79.99. How adorable is that? They also have this really, really cute nutcracker skeleton that actually his vest lights up. He's $130. And he's also sitting next to the awesome looking blow mode for Halloween. Alright, I was able to find the remote control accidentally for this ghost. Because you buy this multi-colored LED light and it has all kinds of functions that you can do. You can just make it one color, you can strobe it, you can flash it, do whatever you want. You can make him look really cool. For $13.99, I guess that wouldn't be bad to add to this ghost. At least it'd give it a little pizzazz, little color to it. Up here we have a nice giant plush bat who's $24.99. Well, that's going to do it for today. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough of the Cracker Barrel Halloween decor and decorations here in June. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget the hype button. And as always, we will see you down the road. Bye for now.